If your credit score is sitting at 580, you've been told the same 3 lies over and over. Lie number 1, you can't get a real credit card with that score. Lie number 2, you need a W-2 to get approved anywhere serious. And lie number 3, the one that makes me the most upset, you need a bunch of credit builders before you can get approved for a big name card.
Okay, Marvin, today we're going to throw all 3 of those lies in the trash because there is a credit union that gives anyone in the country access to a Visa signature credit card with a credit card line that goes up to $50,000, Money Magnet. You do not need to have a certain job,
right?
Or you don't need to live in a certain state, and the membership, guys, costs $1 and they pay the dollar for you.
Look, we've been doing this channel for a while, and this is the cleanest anyone can join path we've ever shared. So before you scroll, we need you to hit that like button so YouTube knows to push this to other people who are stuck at 580. And drop the word ready in the comments. Look, I want you to know we read every single one of those comments.
Okay, so here's what you're going to get in the next 9 minutes, okay? We're going to tell you the credit union name, how to qualify in under 3 minutes, and the 3 cards that they offer on the personal side. We don't want to forget that. And this is the part nobody else is going to tell you. Exactly how to position a 580 credit score so a human underwriter says yes, even when the algorithm wants to say no.
And later in this video, I'm going to share the one question you asked the loan officer that flips a denial into an approval. So stick around for that, because I've watched this question alone get people approved for up to $20,000 they thought was totally out of reach.
Okay, Marvin. Dun, 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 dun. The credit union is State Department Federal Credit Union. Most people just call it SDFCU.
And before anyone panics, no, you don't have to work for the State Department. You don't have to know anybody who works for the State Department. You don't have to be a diplomat, and you don't have to be in the military. You don't even have to live in Washington, D.C. Look, they serve over 90,000 members worldwide, and a huge chunk of those members go to the exact same way. They got in the exact same way I'm about to tell you.
Okay, so let me tell you about SDFCU. It's federally insured by the NCUA.
Right.
So your deposits are protected up to $250,000, just like a traditional bank, Money Magnet.
Exactly.
This is not a fly-by-night online lender, okay? This is a real established credit union with real branches, real overseas banking. And most people have just never heard of them.
So how does a self-employed person, a Uber driver, a stay-at-home parent, somebody who's between jobs, look, how do you get into a credit union with State Department, in the name?
Okay, I'm going to say it. One word, ACC, the American Consumer Council, okay? When you apply on the SDFCU website, there's a drop down for how you qualify. You scroll down, you click the American Consumer Council member. That is it, Money Magnets. SDFCU is partnered with them. That right there can be a cash flow changer. The moment you check the box, you're eligible. No job, no employer, no proof of residency in a certain state.
And the part that broke my brain the first time when I read it, SDFCU deposits the $1 share for you. So you're not even paying $1 out of pocket. The cost to walk through this door is absolutely zero.
Okay, so Marvin, stop this video for a second. If you are watching this and you've been denied at Navy Federal, denied at Capital One, denied anywhere else in the last 6 months, this is the channel you needed 2 years ago, Money Magnets. Subscribe right now, ring the bell, and let us walk this journey with you. Because what we're about to break down next is the part that makes the whole thing actually work.
All right, now let's talk about the actual products on the personal side.
Okay.
So SDFCU has 3 credit cards, all right? And you need to pick the right one for your score, for your situation. This is where most people mess up because they just think, oh, I got to get this card because I heard it on YouTube.
Most definitely. So card number 1 is the Visa Platinum Cashback Plus, okay? This is their Visa signature card with cashback rewards and a low APR money magnets. Credit lines start at $5,000 on this card.
Look, and on the reward side, you earn 2% cash back on every qualifying purchase.
Okay.
And there's a $200 welcome bonus when you spend $3,000 in eligible purchases within 90 days of opening the card.
Okay, Marvin, but let's tell them there's no annual fees, no foreign transaction fees. The 2% on everything is what makes this card a driver for you, okay? Right. Daily swipes. Most banks make you jump through hoops with rotating categories, but SDFCU, they don't.
All right, but hold on for a second.
Okay.
What if your score isn't ready for the Premium Cash Plus yet?
Okay. That's where card number 2 comes in, okay?
All right.
The Visa Platinum Rewards card. Okay, this one has a lower rate option, no annual fees. You still earn reward points through their Flex Points program.
All right, Flex Point gives you 1 point for every dollar spent.
Okay.
You can redeem for gift cards, travel, merchandise, cash back, even charitable donations. So if you're not quite at the Premium Cash Plus territory, there's a stepping stone, and this might be it. And it still earns you something on every single dollar you spend.
Okay. But Marvin, let's tell them about card number 3.
Okay.
Now this one, I want every 580 score to listen to very carefully.
Yeah.
Is the Savings Secure Platinum Reward card.
All right, credit lines on this one start at $250.
Okay.
No annual fee, and you still earn Flex Point rewards. That's the way it works. You know what I'm saying? Your savings deposit secures the credit line. All right. You put $500 in, you get a $500 limit. You put $5,000 in, you get a $5,000 limit. This is a great way to build credit.
Okay, and let's talk about the magical part about this card. A real card holder review said, let me quote what they said, okay, Money Magnets. I am extremely happy with this Visa credit card from SDFCU. Okay,
Right.
This is what a real card holder said. I can still increase my credit limit, even though my credit should graduate to an unsecured card by the end of the year.
Yeah.
That's the play, Money Magnets.
Yeah.
You start secured, you graduate to unsecured, you get your deposit back, and now you have a real Visa card on your credit report at a SDFCU, which is the bridge you need to walk across to get to that $50,000 limit on the Premium Cashback card later.
And speaking of getting to that $50,000 limit, there's a specific 90-day game plan that almost nobody talks about. And I'm going to walk you through it in about 2 minutes, so don't go anywhere. Chill for a second.
Okay, but Marvin, real quick, okay? Let's be honest with each other, okay? SDFCU does not publish a public minimum credit score, okay? So let's be clear.
Yeah.
I doubt many people with a 580 score will get approved on the unsecured platinum rewards.
Correct.
So we want to just be honest with you. Some 580 scores will be slated to the savings secure.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So let's just be honest with each other, okay? And some won't get an approval the first time around at all.
And look, that's okay because credit unions underwrite manually.
Yes.
Unlike Capital One, Chase, Discover, those are all algorithms. All right. A real human at SDFCU is going to look at your file. So if you walk in with a strategic plan that humans would give you the benefit of the doubt, the algorithm never would.
Okay, Money Magnet. So here's the play. We want you to write this one down.
All right, step number 1, you're going to apply for the membership through ACC. You're going to open the share savings account. And remember, the dollar is on them, so it's costing you absolutely nothing to try this.
Okay, so let me tell you step number 2. Within 7 days, fund the checking account, okay? Right. Move some direct deposits over there if you can. Let them see that you're not just there to grab a credit card and ghost them. They want to see you build a relationship.
Step number 3, wait 60 to 90 days. During that time, look, your old accounts are actually aging. Your utilization should be dropping.
Yes.
Your score is climbing. You are now a real member with the deposit relationship if you follow these steps.
Okay. Now, step number 4. Now you can apply for the Platinum Cashback card, okay? Right. Plus, let's go, okay? Not before or after. And when you apply, you don't just hit submit. You call the loan officer.
And that phone call is where the whole game changes, all right? Start writing all this stuff down. If you made it this far in the video, drop a fire emoji in the comments. Let me know that you guys are locked in and you're listening, because what I'm about to share next is the exact question that turns denied into approved. Who's ready for that?
I'm ready, Marvin. Okay. So what we want you to do is we want you to call SDFCU. Okay. Right. You get the loan officer on the phone and you ask this word for word.
Look, hey, Mr. Loan Officer, can you do a manual review on my application based on my deposit relationship and offer me a soft pull pre-qualification before submitting a hard inquiry? Is that okay, sir?
That sentence does three things at one time. This right here is a cash flow changer, money magnet. One, it tells them you understand credit unions can do a manual review.
Facts.
Number two, it asks them to factor in your deposit relationship,
right?
Which the algorithm doesn't weigh enough, okay? And number three, it puts a soft pull on the table, which means even if they say no, your score doesn't get hit.
Exactly. A hard pull on a 580 credit score can drop you to 575 or 572. A soft pull does nothing, so you're protected either way this goes. That single question has more leverage than most people even realize, so that's why y'all need to share this video.
Now, if you're sitting there going, wait, I want to actually understand my full credit picture before I make any of these moves, keep watching, Money Magnets, because we're about to talk about the rest of SDFCU personal side. And one of these products is the one that is going to save you the most money long term.
Yeah, because beyond the credit cards on the personal side, here's what SDFCU offers.
Okay.
And this is why we keep telling people, look, it's not just about the credit card or the secured card. It's about the relationship. That's the most important thing.
Oh, and let's not forget, they have personal loans and they have personal lines of credit.
Yeah.
They use for debt consolidation, home improvement, medical expenses, weddings, travel, and their money line is a revolving line of credit. Available credit range from $500 all the way to $20,000. Low fixed rates comparable to a credit card variable rate.
Look, that money line is huge for emergency funds.
Yes.
We're talking about a $20,000 revolving line, fixed rate, no annual fee. That beats a credit card advance every single time.
I agree, Marvin. Then on the deposit side, shared savings, custom savings, shared certificate, money market, IRAs, and a free privilege checking account with a Visa debit card and free reimbursement.
And the part I love, you get up to 0.5% rate deduction on your loans by enrolling in direct deposit, automatic payments, and one of their loan protection products. Look, that's free money. Take the discount, guys.
On the home side, let me tell you about it. They have home equity loans for primary and secondary residents as a one-time lump sum and a fixed rate, plus a revolving HELOC for primary residents with closing costs ranging from $500 all the way up to $3,500 on credit lines up to $500,000, Money Magnet. That's a cash flow changer.
And right now, first-time home buyers may qualify up to $17,500 in down payment assistance.
Wow.
Borrowers must earn 120% or less of the median income in the area. Funds go towards the down payment or closing costs, and it's the first come, first serve until the funds actually run out.
Wow, Marvin, $17,500 towards your first home from a credit union almost nobody talks about?
Gloria, that's great for a first-time home buyer. Do y'all see what I'm saying? This is not a one-trick credit union. This is a one-stop shop. Look, they got credit cards, loans, lines, mortgage assistance, all under one roof, and you don't have to have an employer requirement.
Okay, if this is the kind of breakdown that helps you, hit that like button right now, Money Magnet. It costs you nothing, and it helps us reach the next person who needs this. Subscribe with the notification on, because every Thursday and Sunday, Marvin, we're dropping another video talking about a new credit union and breaking down banks.
And if you already applied to SDFCU after watching this, or you're going to apply for this next week, can you drop ACC in the comments? Look, we're going to feature people who get approved on our next live stream. So make sure you say got approved in the comments, because guys, we're watching and we want to feature you guys. Now, I want to talk to a different group of people for a minute. If you're sitting at home with a 700 credit score or higher, and you're not just trying to get one card, you're trying to build a real funding stack. Maybe you've got an LLC, maybe you're scaling a business, maybe you're trying to get up to $250,000 in business credit lines or funding without touching your personal. I want you guys to know we offer a business strategy call on Zoom.
Okay, but let's be clear, Marvin, because this is not for everybody.
Right.
We only take calls with people who have a 700 credit score or higher.
Right.
Because that's the score where we can actually move the needle and build a stack with real numbers behind it, okay? The link is in the description. It's pinned at the top of the comments, okay?
Right.
You book a slot. You fill out the intake,
right,
and we'll map out a funding plan for you personally.
Now remember this, 700 plus only. If that's you, go ahead and book the call in the description. If you're not there yet, keep watching the channel. Get a 700, then come back, guys. Remember, we're going to be here.
Okay, Money Magnets, before we let you go, one last thing. A lot of you are going to want to go and apply for SDFCU, and you're going to want to know how to make sure your credit report is clean before you submit. Inquiries, old collections, errors on your credit, the stuff that makes a manual underwriter hesitate on approvals.
All right, guys, here's the move. Pull all three of your credit reports. I want you to go get Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion for free at annualcreditreport.com. Look for any account that says charge off, collection, or has a balance you don't recognize. Dispute those before you apply at SDFCU. Even one collection remove can be the difference between a $5,000 starting limit and a $20,000 starting limit.
Okay, so clean file first, apply second. That's the order. Don't skip it.
And listen, SDFCU is one of the easiest open membership credit unions in the country right now.
Correct.
But it is not the only one. Look, there's another one that we covered recently that gives anyone in the country access to a $100,000 personal loan for a $5 deposit. Different angle, different play, different ceiling.
The card is on the screen right now. That's the next video you should watch. We tell the credit union, we walk you through the loan, and we show you exactly how to stack it up with SDFCU cards to build a six-figure funding profile. Click it before you forget.
Last thing, drop ready in the comments if you're ready to apply for this next week.
And Money Magnets, we'll see you on Thursday. Same channel, same time, brand new credit union. Until then, remember, let's get to the money.
And we're here to help empower your finances.